In today's fast-paced world, where everything is temporary, people often fail to recognize the power of emotional depth, discipline, and wisdom. So, what is it that makes certain individuals unforgettable? What makes a woman miss you the moment you're gone? The truth is, there are certain psychological strategies grounded in ancient philosophy that not only make you irresistible, but also create an emotional void when you're not around. Today, we'll explore 6 powerful strategies that combine the psychology of attraction with Stoic philosophy. These principles have been used for centuries by some of the greatest minds in history, like Marcus Aurelius, to not only survive but thrive in relationships. Let's dive in. Number 1. Master the art of emotional control. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Emotional control is not about suppressing your feelings. It's about not allowing your emotions to dictate your actions. This self-discipline makes you a man of unshakable calm. When you control your emotions, especially in moments of stress or conflict, you don't just show your strength, you also make others see you as someone who is reliable, mature, and in charge of his own life. Women naturally find emotional stability attractive because it's rare in a world full of impulsive reactions. This ability to remain calm in difficult situations draws people in, leaving them intrigued and curious. They wonder how you can be so unaffected by chaos, and the more they wonder, the more they start to miss you when you're not around. Number 2. Become the scarcity. Dark psychology teaches us that scarcity creates value. When something is rare, we desire it more. This is why the key to making someone miss you is not being readily available at all times. The more present you are in their life, the less they value your presence. Be strategic about your availability. Prioritize your own goals and passions. When you're too accessible, people take your presence for granted. But when you are focused on your own growth, you become someone who can't be constantly reached. And this unpredictability makes them yearn for you. This isn't about playing games, it's about respecting your own time and energy. By making yourself scarce, you naturally become more desirable. Women will wonder why you're not texting back, why you're not available at all hours, and they will begin to miss you. Number 3. Leave a lasting impression. People don't miss the average, they miss the exceptional. So, how do you become exceptional? Start by making every moment count. Instead of superficial small talk, engage in meaningful conversations. Share your thoughts, dreams, and experiences. Show genuine interest in the other person. Marcus Aurelius taught us that we should be present in every moment, saying, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." This means being authentic and present in your interactions. When you make others feel truly seen and heard, they connect with you on a deeper level, and that's what they'll miss when you're gone. Number 4. Use the power of absence. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. We've all heard this, but it's a powerful truth. When you leave the space or the conversation just before things get too comfortable, you create a sense of longing. People often only appreciate something when it's no longer readily available. This is where emotional intelligence plays a role. When you step away from a situation or take time for yourself, it allows the other person to reflect on your presence and the value you bring. The key is timing. Leave while you're still valuable, not when you've overstayed your welcome. Your absence will create a space that others will seek to fill, and that's when they start to miss you. Don't be afraid to give yourself the time you need and allow others the opportunity to reflect on your presence. Number 5. Embody Stoic confidence. Confidence is not about being the loudest or most extroverted in the room. It's about knowing your worth without needing constant validation. Stoicism teaches us that true confidence comes from within, not from external approval. By practicing Stoic confidence, you avoid the pitfalls of insecurity and self-doubt. Marcus Aurelius himself said, The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice. This means focusing on yourself and your own growth, rather than seeking approval from others. When you do this, your confidence radiates, and women will be drawn to your self-assured energy. Confidence that comes from within is magnetic. It's a quiet power that demands respect and attention, and that's what women will miss when you're not around. Number 6, pursue your purpose relentlessly. One of the most attractive qualities in a person is their sense of purpose. When you live with intent, when you're driven by something greater than yourself, it naturally attracts others. Women are drawn to men who are on a mission, who aren't just existing but living with a purpose. Marcus Aurelius believed in the importance of living a life of virtue and wisdom. He said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When you focus on something meaningful, when you work towards your goals with passion and dedication, you not only improve your own life, but you also create an aura that others can't help but admire. When you are completely immersed in your purpose, it becomes impossible for others to ignore your drive. Women find this level of commitment and focus irresistible, and they will miss you the moment you step away, because your purpose is what makes you truly unforgettable. So, to make someone miss you, not through manipulation, but through authenticity and strength, apply these principles. Master your emotions, embrace your purpose, embody confidence, and create scarcity. By living this way, you will not just be remembered, you will be missed. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more wisdom that will help you transform your life and relationships. Stay strong, stay stoic,